You may need to explore an area with barriers. Trees, mountains, or high-rise buildings can interfere with you and your drone. To complete the mission and quickly gather intelligence, fly in mesh. Go to Atlas Mesh console. You can use one remote to control many drones. One drone will transmit the signal to the others. This is the main drone or master. The rest are secondary drones or slaves. Connect the drones to mesh and choose your settings for each of them: speed, altitude, etc. The flight height of the main drone must be at least 10 meters higher than the secondary ones. In addition, if necessary, you can set up an automatic mission wherein the drone will fly over a certain area independently. To do this, set waypoints for each drone by clicking at the desired location on the map on Atlas Station. You are almost ready. If you fly in jamming conditions, activate frequency hopping now. Start with the main drone, which will transmit the signal. Remember, it must fly at least 10 meters higher than the other drones. When the main drone is in the sky, launch the rest of the drones. Get a life hack. The antenna that transmits and receives the signal is located in the back leg of the drone. Turn the main drone with it to other drones. When you've completed a mission, land the secondary drones or slaves first. The last drone to land should be the main drone. The mission is accomplished.